Wednesday Rundown. 4 disclosures stood out today: a microcap betting on Bitcoin, Fuji Media's massive buyback, Epson quietly removing page printers, and MHI carving out Logisnext.
Let's go.
Ticker 8938. This company no longer meets the TSE growth market capitalization requirement. That's an existential listing risk.
And their response? They're investing surplus funds in Bitcoin. Seriously. They explicitly disclosed price volatility, liquidity, and security risks. On top of that, they launched a grid-scale storage battery business through their medical subsidiary and reversed a previous pledge to exit real estate.
So the strategy is crypto batteries and flipping properties, while suspending dividends entirely. This reads like desperation dressed up as diversification.
Ticker 4676. Fuji Media executed a 235 billion yen off-market share buyback and canceled 65 million shares, a 28% reduction in outstanding stock.
That's funded partly by selling cross-shareholdings. Recruit, Sampo, Imagica, realizing roughly 49 billion in gains. Parent net assets collapsed from 569 billion to 324 billion. The equity ratio fell from 69% to 44%.
They also shifted strategy from broadcasting-centric to IP content-centric. And the Fuji TV scandal fallout? A strict warning from the ministry, audit committee suing former directors. The dividend spiked to 125 yen with a pledge of 200 yen annually going forward.
Bold capital returns, but you're shrinking the equity base dramatically while the core media business bleeds. Urban development is what's actually performing.
Ticker 6724. Epson removed page printers from its core product lineup. That's a landmark strategic signal.
And they took a 25.9 billion yen goodwill impairment on Fiery, the acquisition they just made, plus 8.6 billion in US tariff impacts. Net income dropped 67%. They also reorganized into 4 new segments and launched Engineered Future 2035.
So they bought Fiery, immediately impaired it, and are now pivoting toward precision innovation and robotics. New 80 billion yen buyback program and a 3% DOE floor. Orient Watch also getting absorbed into the parent.
The compensation KPI shift from ROE to ROIC is telling. They're admitting capital efficiency, not just profitability, needs fixing.
Ticker 7011. MHI classified Logisnext as a discontinued operation and signed a deal to sell it to JEP.
Record results, though. 4.97 trillion in revenue, operating profit up 22%, hit midterm targets a year early. CapEx pivoted hard toward energy and defense, with aero defense spending surging 87%.
They also accelerated cross-shareholding unwinding, exited NYK, MOL, Toray. New CEO Eiji Ito shifted director compensation to 55% stock, and they flagged physical AI as a disruption risk to their manufacturing base.
Exiting logistics to double down on defense and energy transition. That's a clean portfolio pivot with the numbers to justify it.
Watch Fuji Media's equity erosion trajectory and whether Epson's Fiery write-down was a kitchen-sinking exercise. Tomorrow we'll track any follow-through.
And keep an eye on that 8938 Bitcoin gamble. Could get interesting fast.